Hi, my name is Anna Skaya. I'm the founder of Basepaws. Basepaws is a cat genetics company. We created the world's first DNA test for cats so that cat owners can learn more about their cat's breed, health, and habits.
Every sample that we get is integrated into a genetic database which drives our research. This data will eventually allow us to gain more insights into our cats.
Let me show you how it works.
We send you a cat kit in the mail, which consists of a simple cheek swab that you can easily do yourself at home. It's quick and painless, and most cats don't mind. Drop it off in the mail, and we send you back a report with all the details.
Your Basepaws report will update as we get more data.
Look for new discoveries in your inbox as your database grows. There is no better way to improve the well-being of your pet than to provide exceptional health care.
So discover with us.
Get to know your cat better inside and out with Basepaws.